it's time to check off one more item on the bucket list and make a pilgrimage to Maranello, the home of Ferrari. Let's go! We are arriving to Maranello! Oh yeah! Welcome to Maranello. Now we are right in the center of Maranello, and there in the background you can see the iconic roundabout with the statue of Ferrari, and in the background a church that always rings 10 times when Ferrari wins. There hasn't been much bell ringing lately. This is Enzo Ferrari's auditorium. There's Maranello Cafe, which also serves as a bus station. This is not a very big city, only 17,000 inhabitants. Everything revolves around Ferrari in one way or another. And there is the church. I don't think I bother going inside. Okay, this is the beginning of Ferrari district or Ferrari campus, where practically cuts off most of the city center. It seems that some handsome garden art has been made here. I have to take a selfie. If you're lucky, you could run into new Ferrari Academy driver Tuukka the Tiger Taponen, who is likely to become the next Finnish Formula 1 driver. Ah, there goes a Ferrari transport truck or a motorhome. This is Avenida Ferrari or Ferrari Street. It has the Ferrari Institute, which means that this is where young Ferrari Academy trainees apparently study. Featuring Finland's Tuukka Taponen, the next Formula, we hope, Formula driver. There are a few Ferraris on display as well. Yeah. Well, that made it to the test drives as well. Another Ferrari deal. Another Ferrari merchandise shop. Who is speaking there? Who else but Kimi Räikkönen? There's a prop in a local cardboard. This is something to be proud of. There's a different kind of Ferrari stuff here. There's plenty of these here. Here you could have a test drive. I only could afford this kind of things sometimes. Perhaps not. You see, there's also a Lamborghini. Well, now we arrive at the Ferrari Museum.
You can take videos, photos, but you can touch it.
Yeah, of course. Oh, okay, it's okay to shoot here. Well, quite rough-looking craftsmanship once done by Ferrari. This body is made of aluminium. That's Enzo Ferrari's desk. 22 euros, by the way, was the cost of entrance. Quite reasonable, I think. This is wonderful car. Supercars department. Beauty is in the eyes of a beholder. This may not be quite pleasing to my aesthetic eye. There too would be a bit assembling and tweaking if you get the job done. 3.6 seconds from 0 to 100. It has the acceleration on points. It has a metal in an opal form and a little bit of carbon fiber in the mix. Phew, what a cannon! Well, I will continue my journey here. I would have liked to run the simulator, but it's not operational. Oh yeah, it has a very camo-colored 45 from 83. The winner's room. It means that all the winning Ferraris and Alfa Romeos are here. Quite a few people have made it to the Winners' Hall of Fame, but of course there's Kimi Räikkönen, the legendary Finnish Formula 1 driver. I'm so proud of Kimi. This was a nice pain here, nice visit. That's the kind of thing you should do for yourself too. The Ferrari shop isn't that interesting. There isn't terribly good looking gear available, I think. Well, need to explore. €6,145 would be such a Formula 1 steering wheel. Quite nice. Here you will find restaurants and simulation parks, all kinds, next to Ferrari's headquarters. And you get to drive a real Ferrari in quite a few places. That's where Ferrari's headquarters is, and that's probably not the place to go now. I guess I don't even bother to try if I don't want to be thrown out with my ass grip. This Ferrari Sport Management Center. Okay, so this is not the factory per se, but the main hub for Formula 1 and other motorsport series. By the way, there's quite a big hotel right opposite the headquarters, and probably quite a lot of drivers and those who are testing on the Fiorano circuit are staying overnight. That hotel. And now that's the actual Ferrari factory. You probably can't go there as well, or either. Yes, there's no point. You can't even take pictures there, so let's not go there. Here too there are plenty of these test drives possibilities. Yes, I would. This is where the border of the city of Maranello is, and there right on the left you can see the Fiorano test race track, where the race is run as well. There's something like that kind of slippery training going on at the moment. Here should be the Montana restaurant right next to the track. Let's see if it's open. The Ristorante Montana, which is favored by Kimi Räikkönen and Schumacher, but I don't know if it's open. The restaurant is about to close, so I don't have the time to stay to eat here, so I have to find some kind of place from the city center. This is an interesting place and a lot of memorabilia about Kimi Räikkönen and Michael Schumacher. There's a great place to go and have a pizza. Kyllä.